Hi, brother. How are you?
I'm fine, Guru. How are you?
I'm also doing well. Thank you very much for connecting with me. So please tell me about yourself. I want to more about yourself, brother. Please tell me.
My name is Vishal and I'm from Uttar Pradesh, Gurapur.
Okay.
And I completed my engineering in 2018. And after that, I just recently got my job and I'm working as a server support engineer.
Okay.
That company provides a tax and accounting program and server and cloud also with that.
Okay. Oh, I see.
Here as a server support engineer.
Okay. So you mean to say like you are working now about a software, I mean, server engineer.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's correct. So, brother, I want to tell you one thing like in your behind, what is that attitude? Like, what is that positive attitude? Can you tell me about this reason? Why did you hang this,
I will just wait. Let me read that.
yeah. Okay, please show me. I can see, brother, like positive
Just
attitude.
wait.
This is good,
I'm
good thing, brother. Okay.
able to see
Oh
that.
my gosh. Yeah, I can see optimized things and fresh research philosophy. Yeah, that's great, brother. That's great. So what is that? What is that? Why did you hang over there?
Right now I'm
Yeah,
in
tell
my
me.
right
Hello.
now right now I'm in my office, and here is many types of these types of things tagging. There is also that you can see. Did you
Okay,
see?
success is hard work.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, yes. So here is many things like that, and that gives we the positive things. That is the reason.
Right. Whenever we look that kind of picture, we will get a positive things, positive,
Yeah.
attractive, brother. So this is great thing. This is great thing. So like, did you write yourself and you bought in a market? Where did you find this picture?
Oh, we find that picture from the market, and
From the market.
picture bought by my management team.
Okay. Oh, I see. That's great. So did you know about some idioms and some phrases? Did you know about some idioms and phrases like a positive attitude and health is wealth? And we can say some kind of like idioms, no matter how you feel, get up, dress up, and show up, but never give up. And we can say like power of his spirit, lots of idiom and phrases in the market. I mean, in
Oh,
the life. So, did you know, do you have any phrases and idioms? Yeah, tell me.
as you told me about the some phrases and idioms, I heard about that.
Okay, because
But
why I'm telling, because in your surrounding you have a lots of idiom and phrases. That's why reason I'm asking, like maybe you learn, maybe you have. So if you have, please share with me, then I will learn from your side some idiom and phrases. If you have, please share with me.
yes,
Yeah.
you are saying that is right. But uh, once as I communicate with my client on the call,
Mhm.
there
Mhm.
I don't use any time the idioms and phrases, and if I use that, so I really now I'm not
Okay.
remember really. That is really I'm telling you.
Oh, I see. No problem, brother. It's okay, no problem. So come to the point, like, how long have been learning English language? Please tell me about your journey.
So I'm learning, trying to make the best skill in the spoken from last 6 months.
Last 6 months you have been learning English language.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So in this month, we can say like in this duration period, what did you achieve yourself? Did you find something like improvement? Did you achieve something yet?
Yes, right, right. From when the time I started to learn spoken and I started to communicate with any other person who's that belong whatever, and I'm really getting more experience before that, because
Okay.
nowadays I'm working on this. I mean, on the spoken and spending more time here. That
Oh,
is
I
the
see.
reason it gives me the experience and it gives me the confidence. I think.
Yeah. Yeah, right, right. We can say, brother, whenever we try to, practice more, whenever we try to practice regular basis, we will get confidence. We can boom our confidence, brother, about English language, about communication, about our interview, about anything, brother. You know, so we
Yes, yes.
can boom our confidence. Yeah.
We can do more practice, make a best.
Yeah, we can say practice make a perfect, brother.
Yeah,
Practice
yeah,
make a perfect. When you practice lots of, you will get more knowledge, more idea, more basic, more understanding, brother. And I knew that like it will take a time, maybe if you want to improve your communication, like if you want to good command on English language, then you have to practice a lot, sir, brother. You have to give a time around maybe 1 year, maybe 6 months more, because this is just language. And if you want to improve your English like proper English, then you have to give a time regular basis, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, if possible, then try to talk whole day, whole time. Then it's going to improvement, brother. Then it's going to help about learning an English language, and you can build your confidence about communication skill, and you can speak properly also. So if I talk about basic, brother, basic English, so we can do 4 to 5 things, brother. Talk a lot of. Talk means like just talk to more in front of people. Second thing, try to listen. Third thing, like watch more. And fourth thing, brother, reading is very important. If you want to, then you have to make a reading skill, brother. You have to read a books. You have to read any magazine, whatever you want, because this is very few thing, brother, make a stronger about improvement.
yeah, right, right.
Yeah.
Bro, I have one problem. I want to
Okay.
share because I think if I will share with you, so you can suggest me and you can let me
Yeah,
know.
of course, I will definitely, I will help you, whatever I have, I will tell you. Tell me.
So from that time, I am trying to speak English. I feel one thing only. I have some listening problem. When I
Okay.
see anyone, so when the time I really don't concentrate on that. That is the reason I think I am not improving more things in between 6 months. That may be. So what you can suggest me about in this, how we can concentrate and how we can listening,
Mhm.
what we can do.
Okay, so we can say, brother, one thing, like you talk about, I have a listening problem, I have an
Yeah,
understanding problem. Whatever I listen, I do not understand what I'm listening. Am I right?
because as I'm working as a server support engineer here, and here I received a call from US, UK, South Africa, Australia, like Sri Lanka, all over the countries. And if that client was from the UK or US, so that's the accent different, and if that belongs to the South Africa, so that accent different. So I don't want to learn many types of accent, but I want to listen that clearly and hear that clearly, and how I can understand on the phone. We are using this, and also I'm picking the phone
Yes.
nowadays.
Okay. This is, we can call to like earphone about talking with with client, US client and Canada client, like that. That's why we can say like this is telecom interview one kind of. That's great, brother. So come to the point, like you have a listening, you have a lack of listening. you do not understand about what I'm listening. Whenever you try to listen, you do not understand a story. I think this is
Mo-
your problem. Yeah.
Uh, Mostly I understand, but in between when when I conversation with any client, in between that sometimes I diverted. I have diverted. That is
Okay.
the main problem. So how we can do that, and how we can fix that?
Yeah, yeah, right. Sometimes what happen, even I also confused, like when I get a call and when I talk with stranger about native Twitter, so they have a own language, brother. They have a good command for English language. They have a great accent. Sometimes we do not understand what they are talking about. But that moment, if we try to do something, we have to understand first thing what they are talking about. We have to concentrate. If you concentrate other thing and you are listening, then definitely it's going to out of, we can say, it's going to bounce all story, all sentence. So that moment we have to concentrate what they are talking about. Sometimes they use a fancy word, sometimes they use a, like, some rapidly, sometimes they try to speak a rapidly, sometimes they use a new vocabulary. That moment we could not understand you know
Yes, yes. As we use the vocabulary, and that is really, I think that was old with here, because
Okay.
as client using the vocabulary, that is really so professional, and so really I like that also. Because like criticism, crucial, that belong to also important. We saying important, but they are saying crucial.
Yes,
Ecosystem,
yes. Yeah.
ecosystem, sedentary, and like that types of. So that is the reason I think I have to learn more about the vocabulary, and after that I have to replace
Okay.
old.
Yeah. Yeah. You know what happened, brother? Because before we didn't heard about this kind of sentence, this kind of a vocabulary, new word. So that moment we have to understand, we have to practice, brother. Have to try to read a book, like children book. We have to watch a movie, because whenever we try to watch a movie and listen podcast, definitely we will get those word, those new vocabulary. Whenever you try to talk with a stranger like native Twitter, your client, sometimes they use a like fancy word. Words means you talk about like one word, enthusiasm, we can say. This is new word for me also. So sometimes I confuse how do we call, what do you mean by this thing. So that moment, whenever we heard about this new word, just write down somewhere, and if possible then Google it.
You are right. Nowadays I'm working on that also. Like
Yeah.
I'm watching you. Uh, you can see here. I'm trying to learn, because here is I'm just write like a conscious, like a shout out, pissed off, and
Okay.
social, me and noise, sedentary, and there is also computer buff, because I belong to technical. That is the reason I'm
Okay.
trying to store a more vocabulary related to technology. So here
Yeah,
is
that's great. That's
savvy,
okay.
uh,
See,
often like that federal.
see, brother, whatever you wrote your in your diary, your word, definitely this word will help you in future. Whenever you connect with stranger like your client, definitely those people will try to use this word, and you will remember, because already you wrote down, already you learn this word. So just keep going, just learning your word, whatever you write down, whatever you
And
have right now, just learn, just understand, and you can use your daily routine with client, you can share with your client. Yeah.
yes, that is the way we can learn for the always. Because if we I just learn the sedentary like inoculation, and if we will not use that in our daily routine, so definitely that will be forgot.
Yes, yes, yes. If you do not try to use your word, Maybe you remember 1 day, 2 day, but after 3, 4 day, you will forget, it's gone, because you didn't practice, you do not try to use your daily routine. So it's very important, whatever you have, just try to use regular basis. See, if you talk about, one word, so that word you can repeat 1,000 times in your life. It's possible, brother, it's possible. If you repeat again and again, you will remember forever. So this is plus point, brother. You can improve yourself, you can learn your word, and regular basis, regular basis, if you try to, interact with client, definitely you will learn lots of word, brother, lots of fancy word, lots of new word. So just do it. Yeah.